coming up to the skis. Back in the position. Good girl. Perfect. Hey, girlfriend, what are you doing? Those are not the skis. Let's go one more lap. No, you want to keep going? Keep going? All right. Chuck and Twiggy say that we're going to go on to Twiggy's favorite part of the show, which is where she shows everybody how well she can count. You see, Twiggy Jr. is still in the beginning stages of her training, so she can do 1 to 2 laps. But Twiggy here can do 3 to 4 laps. So I'm going to need a helper from the crowd to pick how many laps Twiggy should do. Can you be my helper? Yeah. All right, what's your name? There is a signed autograph poster of Twiggy, and you're going to be the first one to pick. There you go. All right. Yeah, she's nervous. She's like, hey, oh, look at that. She's got something. All right, Brock. How many laps do you think Twiggy should do? 3 or 4? 4? All right, Brock thinks that Twiggy can do 4 laps. So I'm going to need everybody's help to count nice and loud so Twiggy can hear you. We're going to do 4 laps. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I kissed her good luck. And there we go. All the way around. Doing good. Twiggy, you got 4 laps for Brock. Getting pretty for the cameras. Luann would always say that her squirrels are 90% ham and only 10% squirrels because they love that camera. You got 3 more all the way, Twiggy. Doing good. Hey, guys. New friends. No, Twiggy, you got 2 more. 2 more. All the way around. 2 more. Good. I promise, naps and snacks right after this. Twiggy, hey. Hey, we told Brock we were going to do 4 laps. You got 1 more lap to go, okay? A big old kiss. Here we go. And 1 more lap. All the way around. There we go. Good. Twiggy! She said she wants to go up there with her friends in the boat. You see that? All right, I think we're going to count it. There we go. Let's give her a big round of applause. Twiggy wants her